My name is Jit Sharma. I am the Department Chair for Civil Engineering at Lassonde School of Engineering. Today I'm going to talk about the brand new equipment that we have commissioned for our undergraduate courses in the area of hydrotechnical engineering in general. What you see behind me is an experimental flume. That is a fully automated setup that can do a large number of different experiments in hydraulics. Some examples of these experiments include flow over weirs, flow over spillways. There are also experiments that you can do where you can create waves using a wave maker, and you can see the effect of the amplitude and frequency of these waves on floating or structures that are embedded to the sea floor, for example. So these are some of the experiments that our students can do using this flume. The beauty of this setup is that it is entirely self-contained. So it basically takes water from one tank and sends it to another tank via the flume. You can precisely control the volumetric flow rate. You can also control the frequency of the wave generator. You can go from very slow waves to waves as high as 1.8 Hertz. That means almost 2 waves per second. You can have experiments that can simulate effect of the hydrodynamic forces that the wave applies on structures such as pile foundations for anchored oil platforms, other tethered structures such as buoys and mobile platforms that are out in the sea. So you can study all that experiment here. You can also add a little bit of fluorescent dye to the water, and you can use ultraviolet ray and this fluorescent dye, and then you can even characterize the streamlines and the flow patterns inside the flowing water. So these are some of the experiments that you can do with this equipment. The equipment is fully automated, so the students don't need to struggle with a whole lot of setting up, so they can focus on the learning aspects. And its design is very modular, so you can take out a model structure and replace it with another structure. For example, if you want to simulate an OG spillway, for example, you can install an OG spillway in there. If you want to have another experiment with another type of hydraulic structure, you can take that OG spillway and put a new structure inside. So it saves us a whole lot of space. We can essentially use the same flume and just keep changing these spare parts. The main learning aspect of this equipment is that it's highly visual. So you can see the grids behind this flume. Students can actually see the flow patterns, and they can take pictures and they can visualize the flow, and so that's the main advantage. That's why the walls are transparent and dyes are added to water so that the flow visualization can take place. So when we run a typical undergraduate lab, we let the students do some calculations first based on the theory that they learned in their lectures, and then they do the computation, and then they try to verify it by running an experiment using certain set of parameters, and then they see whether the experimentally measured parameters were within the range that they predicted using the theory that they learned in the lectures. So it's a very kind of a hands-on experiential learning opportunity for our students. It kind of closes the loop in some ways. So students learn these concepts, and those concepts are reinforced when they get to use an equipment like this. We are quite excited to have this equipment in our repertoire, and this is definitely a kind of state-of-the-art equipment, and I think our students are quite lucky to get to use an equipment of this caliber.